Hello everyone. Did you know you can recreate a WordPress website from backups in xCloud? In this tutorial, we will show you how it works. First, log in to your xCloud account. In the xCloud dashboard, click on the Add New Site button at the top. From the following screen, select the server where you want to recreate the WordPress site from the drop-down. Hit the Next button to proceed. Now, click on the Recreate Site from Backup option in the list. Next, you have to complete a 6 easy-step process. In the first step, select the destination server to migrate your site and hit the Next button. From the Domain step, you can choose to migrate into a new domain and enter a new site title with the domain name. Or, you can opt for a demo site and move to the next step. Under the Source step, you can opt for the Import from Bucket option. Select the Backups bucket from the drop-down and enter the domain. Alternatively, you can import from your existing site or server backups. For this option, select the server from the drop-down. Then, set a backup type, local or remote. Finally, pick the site that you want to recreate as a new site. Moving on, we have the Backup step. Here, select a backup to restore. Hit the Next button to proceed. In the Settings step, select your desired PHP version from the drop-down. Next, enable or disable the caching options as you prefer. You can uncheck the Search Engine Visibility option to discourage search engines from indexing the site. Under the Database Management section, you can either add your existing database or create a new one on the server. Finally, we have the Confirmation step. Check all the migration details and click on the Start button to confirm the site recreation. Once the migration process is complete, you will get a success message. Here, hit the Site Dashboard button to check the details of your newly recreated site. This is how easily you can recreate WordPress websites from backups in xCloud. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy hosting!